Just like mobile devices, when you exit out of an app on your Xbox One console, it keeps on running in the background, which can cause your Xbox One console to heat up, underperform, or act laggy and act unsmoothly. That's why today I'll show you how to exit out of apps and games completely on Xbox One. To demonstrate it better, let's open Forza. And now that it's loaded, let's go back to home and open some few other apps. Now let's go to settings and open Xbox accessories and then go back home. Let's go to the Microsoft Store and open the top new games tab. And then let's browse the Microsoft Store for a while. And now if we go back to the game, we'll see the game is still running in the background along with all the other apps. And this can cause a lot of issues such as your console getting slower, and you may even face lag spikes or reduced frame rate when you're playing games. And your console will feel overall unresponsive because of that. To avoid that, what we need to do is close these apps permanently. To do that, let's open the guide and select the apps that are running in the background. Let's highlight Microsoft Store and hit the menu button. And you will see there's an option called Quit, which means this app is running in the background. Now if we hit the A button, it will close the app from the background. Let's do it for all the other apps. And now if we go back to home, you can also do it from here. So our game is running in the background. You just highlight it and then tap the menu button again. Then scroll down and press quit. Now all of these apps are terminated. Let's open the store again to check, and you'll see it's loaded back to the main screen. The same thing goes with all the apps that we opened. Now if you open the game again, you'll see it's starting up again and it was not running in the background. Now that you know how to quit apps on your Xbox One console, you can close all the background apps while you play games, and your games will run smoothly without any issues. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon.